Hi guys, welcome back again to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. We started a series on what limit of a function and we've done the introductory part. We're moving ahead to solving some problems under what limit, the one that involves factorization. Stay tuned. Alright guys, in today's class we'll be considering two questions on the board. So let me read out the instruction. We are asked to find the limit of the functions below. These are the two functions as x approaches 2. Now let's solve this together. We'll go about with the first one. So solution, we have the a, the function. Now I can represent the function as f of x, remember? Or I can represent it with y. F of x is same thing as what? Y. So it is equal to what? X squared minus 4 all over what? X minus 2. Now, how might I go about solving this problem? Now, the first thing I need to do is, if I consider just substituting the value of x as 2 in this function, you see that this will turn to 2 squared is 4. Then 4 minus 4 is going to give me 0. And 0 divided by any number is going to give me 0. So, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to first of all simplify the numerator aspect of this function before we continue. So let's look at this function now. X squared minus 4 over x minus 2. Now, if you observe from this numerator part of this function, you see that this is square, and is there a way we can reduce 4 to also be something squared? Yes, 2 squared is actually what? 4. Now if you do that, you're going to have x squared minus what? 2 squared all over what? X minus 2. Now what do you observe here at this point? You observe that this is just what? The numerator aspect is difference of 2 squared. So you're having 2 squared, x squared and what? 2 squared. So what do we do? Since you're having this expression like this, you're going to change this to mean x minus 2 and what? X plus 2 all over x minus 2. Now, if you're wondering if this is correct or not, consider what? Expanding this. You see that if we expand this back, we're going to get this. So we have not done anything wrong at this point. So what then can we observe at this point? You can see that x minus 2 and x minus 2 is common to both the numerator and the denominator, so they can cancel out. So what I have remaining as my function f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now I can now go ahead and substitute the value of x as 2. And that's going to give me what? 2 plus 2 and is equals to what? 4. And we are done with this particular question. We move over to the next question. Now, solve for this what expression. What will be the value of this function as x approaches what? 2. Now, this is a function. I can write it as f of x or y is equals to x squared minus x all over 2x. I cannot go ahead and substitute the value of x as 2 here. What I'll do first is, I'll kind of simplify it. So simplifying it, I cannot simplify the denominator, but I can simplify the numerator by factorizing x. If I factorize x, what I have remaining is x minus 1 all over 2x. Observe also that x is common to numerator and denominator, so I'll cancel this out. Once I do that, I have that my f of x is now equal to x minus 1 over what? 2. I can now substitute the value of x as 2 into this particular expression. If I do that, it's going to be 2 minus 1 all over 2. And that is going to give me what? 1 over 2. And we are done. Please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.